Hello, everybody, and welcome back from a 3-day weekend. Hope everyone had enjoyed their time away. I know it was a little bit of rain today, and we, as students, kind of got a little wet. We got caught in it, but made it back to the classroom safe and sound. So tonight's homework is on page 307 and 308, and we're doing the even numbers. And before I get started, I wanted to do a quick shout out to Aaliyah, Siri, Bianca, and Layla. Great time today, great work today. I was very impressed on how quickly you were catching on. And so my hopes is that the homework is not too complicated. And I did say that it was on the even number, but if you look on the back, which I overlooked, I saw it but didn't pay any attention. We're looking at 9 through 11, so you'll need to answer 9, 10, and 11, and then we can do the optional on 12 is what I was telling my class. So anyway, are we ready to get started? All right, so let's look at the first one. It reads, Patricia charges $12 to rake the yard. Wow, so could be a great deal depending on the size of the yard. She charges $5 per hour to bag the piles of leaves for 2 hours. So she not only rakes it and charges $12, but she will also bag it. And with the bagging, she charges additional fees. So we're needing to find out which numerical expression fits this statement. So I know that she charges $12 to rake. And so this is for raking. She also charges $5 for each hour. So she is charging $5 for each hour, and she works for 2 hours. It takes her 2 hours to bag the leaves. So I said it was a lot of leaves she had to rake up. In order to find out how much she got together for that whole time, what operation then would I do here with my $12? This is per hour. This is how much she charges per hour. And this is how many hours she worked. So to find out how much she earned together, I will take my 12, I will add it to my 5 times 12, and that'll tell me how much she earned just by raking the leaves and bagging them all up. So how much did she end up earning? Well, 5 times 2, we're going to go to the parentheses, is 10, and 10 plus 12 is what? So $22. Very good. So let's take a look at the next one. We were talking about how do we make a story to match this expression. So I know that I have 36 of something, and then I'm going to add it to, I have 2 groups of 3. So I can look at it this way. And I was showing some of the students, and I think it was in period 1. So one of the stories that was given is that we have a plant, and the plant is "36 inches tall." And this symbol here means inches. Now it grows. So here's our 36. That's the starting height of the plant. It grows 2 inches each month for 3 months. So for 3 months, the plant grows 6 inches, right? So it's for every month it grows 2 inches. So this story will match this. So if we're still working on trying to make the story, you can do something like this, or you can create your own. The next one, let's take a look. I have 12 times 2. There's 12 groups of 2 plus 4 times 3, 4 groups of 3. So a story that we have is that we can do, I'm going to say Bianca scored 12 2-point baskets and that's that plus sign, and she also scored 4 3-point free throws. Okay, does that work out? Yep, because Bianca's shooting basketball, so she shoots hoops. So she scored 12 2-point baskets. So how many points did she make? She did 24 points there. Then she shot 4 3-point free throws. So she ended up getting 12 points there. So what total points does she end up making? Okay, so 12 times 2 is 24. Plus 4 times 3 is 12. Wow, so Bianca ended up scoring 36 points. So you see how we were working that out? And just practice, because this is the first time that we introduced numerical expressions, and I want to make sure that you completely understand what you're reading and how you're going to decipher that. All right, next one. We're going to flip our paper over. Here it says, fill in the bubble complete to show your answer. Use the price list for 9 through 11. All right, so is this realistic? Ultimate amusement park. Yeah, so we can actually ultimate. This also could be the Fiesta Texas, right? It can also be SeaWorld. So different amusement parks that you're acclimated to going or used to going. So number 9, which expression, again, which of these expressions shows the cost of one adult admission ticket? And so I need to come over here and I have to look at my one adult admission ticket, and I know that's $15. And 9 thrill ride tickets. Oh my gosh. How many times do they plan to go on there? 3. They plan to go on 9 times. So how much money did they spend? I know that I will have to do 9 times my 3, because that's going to give me the total cost that they spent on their thrill ride. And then I have to add in the adult admission ticket to see how much money they actually spent. So which one of these here is going to be able to explain what my story is about? So I have my 9 thrill ride tickets at the cost of $3 each. So this is cost. This is quantity. And then I have my $15 ticket. So I know that I will be multiplying that out. So this one is multiply. My $15 ticket, I need to add that in. So this looks like it's a good possibility. Here, this looks right. 9 times $3. That's correct. But here I'm adding $12. Where does the 12 come from? Yeah, that's the child's admission. I'm looking for an adult admission. So that's not going to work at all. Here, I'm looking at, well, I had $3 plus 9. That's not going to tell me the total amount that I paid. Okay, so it could have been that I had 3 plus 9. That's not going, again, it's not going to get any cost. And then I'm adding the $15. So that doesn't work out, does it? Okay, so that doesn't work. Looking at here, did he buy at $15, did he buy 9 adult tickets? Nope. And then added 1 thrill ride? Not at all, because this is what it's saying. He had 9 adults at $15 apiece and then bought 1 thrill ride ticket. So the best answer for this is going to be A. All right, let's go to the next one. Vander and Courtney each paid $12 for admission. So we have Vander and Courtney. That's 2 people. So if they paid $12, I know that they're kids. They paid child's cost. So there's going to be 2 tickets at $12 apiece. So how much have they already spent? Yep, $24. So now they've also bought 14 thrill ride tickets. Wow. So they no longer, this adult's only going to go 9 times. These 2 are 14, which means they'll probably split how many times each. Yeah, each will go 7 times because they meaning both Vander and Courtney bought the 14 thrill ride tickets. So which expression shows their cost? Well, I know that there's $12 per ticket times 14 times 3. Well, this is right here. But there's only 1 child ticket. Did they buy only 1 child ticket? No, not at all. So let's take a look at here. My 2 times $12, that's showing that it's both Vander and Courtney each bought a ticket at $12. And they bought 14 tickets at $3 each. So that one looks correct. So that's a strong possibility. Now, 2 times 12, this is right. Vander and Courtney both bought tickets at $12 each, plus 14. Well, that doesn't say anything. That's not even we don't even know how much they spent on the tickets because each ticket was at $3. So that has no meaning. Again, we have $12, which was only 1 person, plus, now we have 14 plus 3? Not at all. That doesn't make any sense, does it? $3 plus 14 what? 14 tickets. That didn't make any sense. So the best answer for this is going to be B. Let's look at this next one. Riley bought a child admission ticket. So Riley bought a child admission ticket and 6 Funland ride tickets. So I'm going to cross that out. This is Riley. He bought 6 fun ride tickets. And then he also used a coupon for a discount. And there's that keyword, discount. Whenever we get a coupon, we know that we're going to have money that's reduced from our total. So which expression shows Riley's total cost? Well, I know that Riley bought a child's ticket, and the child's ticket is at $12. So I have my $12, my $12, my $12, and my $12. So that's about right. Now I go to the next one. And he bought 6 Funland ride tickets. Well, each Funland ride ticket is $2, and he bought 6. Well, this is right. 6 times 12, because it would have cost him $12 for the 6 ride tickets. This one's right. 6 times 12, that one is right. Oops, is this right here? 6, and I didn't even pay any attention. 6 plus $2, $6 plus $2. That's not right because that's $8. And so what did he do? So that's not even near it. This part here is not correct. So I'm going to put an X. Here it says 6 times $2. And that's right. And 6 times $2. Well, that's correct. And I do have the plus signs down here. Now, he also said that he had a coupon for a $5 discount. Well, does this one show a $5 discount? No, I don't even see the 5 anywhere. So that's out of the picture. $5 coupon means that